This is what your resources can afford, okay? So we divide by the average carcass weight, 428 carcasses, but of course, 428 finishers. So the 428 finishers, we need them per month, so times 12. And what we have is 5,136 finishers per year. Now we go back and ask ourselves, like the number of sows that can produce 5,136 finishers, depending on the genetics you use. Let's consider what we know best. With choice, we can come up with about 14 piglets, average, at weaning. So if we need 136 finishers, this is in a year. How many sows can produce this?